and they decide, okay, this is not a mission that we can complete with a helicopter. An actual ship goes out and saves them.
So this really happened.
This really happened.
Wow.
So during the first strike, out of, I think they were 5 people. After they ditch into the ocean, now there is a second rescue mission. Yeah, 5 people were in the first, the crew of the first helicopter were 5 people. When they are returning, they have to ditch into the ocean. So there is a second rescue mission. Now, the fishermen who were supposed to be rescued in the first place, plus the 5 people in the water. 4 of them, they were able to save. 4 of the 5, like dead stuff. One of the crew.
See, and I feel like that's, I'm not saying like it's a waste, but it kinda is.
It's absolutely not. Like, that's the mission that's worth doing. Okay.
Practice module 2.
Unlike this, try to catch the difference. This is gonna be like, if that helps you, if it's not necessary, it's not necessary, if that helps you, that's exercise 7, 2. Move to the right, not to the left, from this already negative number. And since this in absolute value is larger than this, you are going to cross 0, you are going to end up positive.
You're gonna live on the positive side?
This much you are moving to the right from here. It's enough to get to 0 and then some. Where do you end up at?
13 over 22.
Or 14.
I think 14 over 22.
They're just 7 away.
14 over 22, right? Huh?
That can be simplified now.
Yeah, that can be simplified, thank you. That's what I'm going to say next. I was going to say next. The blue stuff, did it type an integer, which this is not, it can be simplified 7 over 11, right?
Yeah.
You guys watch the games on Tuesday?
I've seen a little bit.
Why
Argentina and Spain?
the final is
Who ended up winning that game?
Well,
I heard something totally different. I heard
Well,
baseball, so I'm like, what the fuck?
if you analytically analyze the teams, Spain has an edge. However, my heart is with Messi. So, we'll see. All the way back, before the first game, I told it. I said, probably Spain. Even though many people were saying France. And France and Spain, they played against each other in the semifinals. That was the Tuesday game. It was a good game. And Spain definitely deserved to win, but there is one mistake that I realized about that. They don't field. It happened 4 or 5 times. But overall, they deserve it. And
Leave it alone.
So it's
I
France, England,
I got a question here.
Argentina.
is it bleeding even?
No, but if you keep scratching it, it's gonna,
It's itching, yeah, well.
because it's healing. Tap on it, slowly this.
Oh, so you think Argentina and
No.
who else are gonna be in the final?
Completely analytical analysis. Spain has the edge. But I
But
want Messi to go. That's probably his last World Cup. He is 39. I think he turned 39 recently. He's not going to be in the next World Cup. That's the 3rd World Cup he is playing. final is. I remember the 2014 final, Argentina versus Germany, they lost. Extended time. There was this thing called the golden goal, if I remember correctly. I'm so old. Golden goal. In extended time, if you score the first goal, the rest of the extended time, the first team scoring in the extended time wins the game. Even if it's the first minute of the extended time, the remaining 29 minutes, no.
Oh.
It changed. The rules have changed. Now, once the extended time starts, it will go on until the end. And even if some team scores the first goal in the extended time, if the other team scores more until the end of the extended time, that's back in the day. I'm not sure if it changed. So Argentina, Germany, in extended time, Argentina lost. The last World Cup, of course, you know, with the famous game they won against France. And this is going to be his third final. And if I remember correctly, there is only one other player in history who played 3 World Cup finals. Pele. From Brazil. He played the 62, 66, and 75. He won all 3. So, I think he's the only person with 3 World Cup victories.
So did the team that you wanted to win, or?
No, I want this final, Argentina Spain. So I'm happy about the final. The rest, I don't know. Like, my heart is with Messi, but on the other hand, the better team is Spain. And if they win, they'll have deserved it. That's number 4, right?
Okay,
Is that a dish?
we're on number 4.
It's
Okay.
English. Oh, no, okay. If you had to make a guess, will the result be negative or positive? The absolute value.
Negative.
The absolute value concept, the first question, can't help handy here. If you look at the absolute value of the first fraction, negative or positive, it doesn't matter. The absolute value is 3/5. It's 3/5 to the left of 0. And the second fraction is 1/9. Its absolute value, 1/9 is less than 3/5.
Oh, so
1/9 is less than 1/5. So 3/5 is in absolute value more than 1/9, but it's the first one that's negative. But if you look at it, 0, it's somewhere around here, negative 3/5. You are going to move 1/9 to the right, but that's not enough to get to the other side of 0. You will move to the right, correct, but not enough to get you to the positive side. You will end up somewhere in here, which is going to be some negative number. But how much negative? Right? Think about it. This distance minus this distance is the distance you will be, but to the left of 0. So you can think of this as, right? Once you do that, it goes back to week 1.
so
If you don't think you need it, you don't have to do it. I was trying to justify why the result is going to be negative.
okay.
The negative part here is further from 0 than the positive part. See? And then do this part. Do this part. I want you to do this part because I'm still waking up. The blue part last week. What was it again? Common denominator and all that stuff. And you are more energetic than I am. I have 20 years over you, maybe even more. If we take attendance and stuff, you do the blue part, please. It's a good exercise. You will have to do these things over the weekend. I know. So everybody is here, right? Everybody is here.
Okay.
I got negative 16/45.
Thank you, Alexis. 16 over 45.
No problem.
Hello. 2. If there is a problem in the blue part, we need to address it now. It's already too late.
Should it be, wait, are you sure that's the?
I'm not sure. I didn't do it.
What did you get? I got 22/45.
Yeah, I got negative 22/45.
You too?
Yeah,
I did too, but I thought I was wrong, so I didn't say nothing.
Okay,
but that's how you learn.
let's do it. It's kind of that's kind of an alarm bell. We took for this. Let's Pearson says bring them to a common denominator. The common denominator you are looking for, a number that's a multiple of 5 and also of 9 at the same time. One clear way to get to that number is 5 times 9. And that's the only thing you can do here, because they don't have a common factor. If these two numbers had a common factor, other than 1, then you didn't have to go all the way to 40. But since they don't have a common factor, 40. You don't need to know the details. You can go by trial and error. What are the multiples of 5? Is this also a multiple of 9? 9. You had to go all the way to 40. Okay. Because they don't have a common factor. All right.
27, 9 times 3 is 27,
Mm-hmm.
and then 5.
Oh,
Oh,
okay, 22. Over 45. But,
It's a negative.
yes.
negative, yep.
Can I simplify it?
So do you leave it as just like that?
There is
No,
not-
that cannot be simplified.
No, we have to do it like that.
Okay. Got it.
Anything I need to say on this?
Let me see. Is there anything? Yes. So, I think that the answer is gonna be negative.
On this, no.
No?
Because it just,
Only because the positive is more than what the negative
Oh,
is.
wait, are we on number 5?
That's fine, yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm looking at something else.
So if you're trying to follow the quiz on your screen, it's not gonna match his, because it's a different for everybody.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, that's correct.
So
And
if I log in, mine will be different from yours and his.
Oh,
And when
sneaky.
you try it again, the numbers are gonna, you won't, even if.
It'll
for
be
the
different.
same-
Okay.
Yeah, it changes
Every
it when
time.
you retake it too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So for this, the answer is positive. I see it now.
0.6 would be 0.6 for this.
Yeah.
This number line business, if you need it, use it. If not, go to that, you know.
you ever find out if they can have two sheets?
Oh, I didn't check
Forgot to
that.
ask. Okay,
But we will know about it before the final.
okay.
When is our final again? Like the last week?
It's week 4. We can talk about it in week 4 or now. If you don't want to use the classroom time for the final, and I don't think it's a good idea. In other words, last Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
since the final has to be in class again, not my fault, we may have to use it. Or I'm completely okay with us setting another time.
Mm-hmm.
I have done that. So use Thursday for one more practice. Because there is some new stuff for the final too. So it's not like after week 3, we just focus on final practice. Yes, we will be doing final practice, but it will have some new material on top of week 3. So, say Friday, if we can agree on a time, on a Friday, I'm more than happy to come here and if we can't set up a time, or we can set up a time for us, for some of you, and I can have the final with them on a Friday. The people who say I have to take it on a Thursday, they take it on a Thursday.
I have to, because I'm going away Friday.
Okay.
I won't be here.
Yeah, I probably want to do mine on Thursday too. Just get it over with.
Okay.
I mean, I would love to do Friday, but
No, you don't. If you think
I'm on a cruise.
Are you going on a cruise?
Yeah.
That's fine.
So,
Oh, you're going on a cruise too? Oh, wait, you were talking
no,
about
he's
December.
thinking about it.
Never mind. You talk about December, my bad.
I have a question. Is there any way, like, where, let's just say, like, if I'm working on these practice modules at home, I know that we could, like, retake it, but, like, what if I get stuck on a problem? Like, is there a way that shows you how to work the problem?
Well, it can be solved if we are doing enough many practice. That problem can be solved if we are doing enough many practice tests. Because whichever problem you got stuck on, we will have solved 4 or 5 of the same type of problems in class.
Okay,
Or
so I need to pay attention in
Pearson,
class.
if you look into your Pearson, there are homeworks there.
Mm-hmm.
Those homeworks, you guys know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about?
Is that in Pearson?
On Pearson.
Okay,
You have access to those homeworks, it's not gonna count against you. And those homeworks, if you want it, they can give you extra help.
that's why it says like 14 or something like that. When I go in there, it's like you completed 1 of 14. So those other things are like practice homeworks.
The only thing that's gonna affect your grade. No homeworks, no nothing. For each week, a practice test and an actual test. Each week, that's all. Go to Blackboard, look at under week 1, week 2,
Right.
practice, actual. 4 weeks, 4 times 8 grades. And then there is a mid-grade again, it's Kaiser policy, post test.
Mhm.
It's as simple as that,
Okay,
okay?
got it.
Practice, actual, practice, actual final in class, and then 5% post.
How many questions is on the final? The final. For how many? 40?
Third.
Oh, 30. Oh, okay.
It's not too bad.
That's not too bad. I
I'll
can
give you
handle it.
2.5 hours.
2.5
We get 2.5 hours to take it? Even better. Can we have this in our notebook during the final?
What you are allowed, as I told, just one sheet, but back and forth.
One sheet of-
I will
Front
talk
and back.
You can have one sheet
Oh,
front
front and
and
back,
back
okay,
with
okay.
what you think you need help with.
anything you choose.
Put on that sheet, because you're allowed to have one sheet on the desk.
You're allowed to have one little.
I'm gonna bring a big old long sheet of paper. Just
Um,
one
so
sheet
it
of
has to
paper?
be it has to be a regular, like, 8x5, he already said that. Yeah, I'm like, I'll get my husband's like huge.
Contractor paper.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
It's a
smart aleck, I'm sorry.
But I'm
I had
going
to.
check something.
A what?
Yeah. He did say he'd check
But
if
you
it
can
can be
find
two,
that.
to be able to like have something like this.
Yeah.
Because the multiplication chart is probably like the one other thing you might want.
Oh, yes,
Because
for
that
sure.
way-
That's a
Like
great
half
idea.
over.
Yeah.
I got -1, yeah. You check, but it may not happen.
Ooh,
I
they're
got
getting a little strict now.
-1.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the one I thought was gonna be more hard.
Yeah, because at first I was about to do -8 plus 11 and then add the 4. I don't know why, because that was backwards. But I did -8 plus 4, then I added the 11.
-8 plus
Either way,
whatever.
now,
Plus -4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay,
so
got it.
I kinda,
calculators, if it's still necessary,
I haven't used
say
a
calculators,
No calculators.
I said that more than once. That's again, policy.
This is my calculator.
Now, you are taking the practice test, so type this in a calculator, you will get the credit. Don't get
I mean, I
tempted.
understand
Don't
if you-
get tempted. Don't get tempted, because it's gonna bite.
To use, you're saying don't get tempted to use a calculator
No,
while we're
no,
practicing.
No, resist it, do as many practice tests as you can, until you feel comfortable to see something like this in the actual test and get to the right answer. Keep practicing and practicing, until you feel comfortable. If you give in to the temptation, take the calculator out, do it, I'm telling you. It's gonna bite you. And then you have no reason to be worried about doing bad in a practice test. Okay?
Math.
Third, fourth, fifth, until you get these things right, comfortable.
Basic. Oh, that's easy. Negative.
And that is
Um. Ooh.
great.
Um.
5 over 6. Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, so
Minus 10 over.
you have to find a common denominator first, right?
You will need to do that, yes, or
Is that the first step?
sometimes the order of the steps, if you can call it steps, can be changed. What I would do first here is to take care of this, because it looks like that's one of the problems.
Mhm.
Positive.
Yeah,
A negative and a negative is a positive, right?
right. And that's last week.
Um.
Anita, you shouldn't have these things on the computer, these files. I don't know, maybe I can use it next time. Who knows? But can you say, not the printouts, but can you email me the soft copies? Yeah, you know my email?
yes, I will.
Yeah. I'll remind you again, I'll ask you again.
I remember.
There may be something, I think it may really be a good idea for me when I get this to get this out on the first day.
Yes.
It may be a good idea.
It's like a little refresher.
You only want the multiplication chart or like the?
No, all of it's the
Okay.
method.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah,
because
Loki,
I
you
get
can
this
moderate.
because I
Go
get-
ahead.
but This is definitely one of them. You got this for me?
$115 over 66.
Thank you. So, you'll have a,
That's how you guys learn though.
okay. You have to do this. Close. Mix down, close.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to be putting in whatever form we put the answer in? We're supposed to click those little boxes down there?
I mean, you can do it from the keyboard.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
This can help if you don't know how to do it. Yeah, you
Oh,
can-
okay.
You can type down these. Up to you.
149 over 66.
Right, but please let me know before it's too late that it's the last of week 2. I know, not on week 3. How did we get this 115 over 68? Putting them to a common denominator, which is 66. So 55 plus 60. That gives you the 115, and 66 is the common denominator. And then, because 115 is greater than 66, you have to do this thing. Type an integer, which this is not. A fraction, technically this is a fraction, so I'm not sure if it's going to take this as correct or not. Probably it will, because technically it's a fraction. But this is probably safer, just in case. This may or may not go through, I don't know. It probably will. But if you go to here, and then last thing, simplify. Can I simplify this?
No.
No. 49 is 7 times 11, so. So, 1.
Nope.
Yeah, see, that's why you need the editor can help you. 149 56. Last day of week 2. Look at this. Anything you want me to go over again? Week 3 is too late for this kind of stuff. Okay. Same type of question. It's right. 6 is equal to 6 times 9.
54.
Oh, wait a second.
Why can't you use 18?
I'm confused.
We doing it right?
Well, how does it want you to put your answer? So why don't I just simply, at this step, cheat a little bit? It's not good cheating,
Uh-oh.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
Why don't
definitely.
Why?
That's what I did. That's why I was like, what the heck?
Is that how it wants you to put your answer?
No. Because the Pearson View Way, they want us to do the 9 times 6, which is 54 over 9.
I think so,
And then
otherwise this would
Keep
be.
the 7 ninths,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna
But that would.
subtract the 54 from 7.
You're adding.
Oh, adding.
Okay.
Yeah, we're adding, sorry, sorry.
And that becomes,
One, yeah, 61.
I think that's how it wants you to.
So it want, okay.
I think that's what it was.
I have a question,
Yeah.
but it's not on this problem.
Okay, let me do
So-
this one. and-
Yes, and you let me know.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't wanna interrupt like what you got on it. Negative 2 over 3 divided by positive 5 over 7. Now, I did flip it
Just,
and do.
just keep it. 5 over, is that what?
All right,
Wait
you
a
flip
second,
it,
Wait a sec, I wrote it,
you flip it and multiply, right?
I didn't do one
Yeah.
part of that.
Right? Okay, that's easy.
Yeah,
And-
flip it
And it's a negative, I got it.
Yep, never mind.
I like those. Those are my favorite type of problems, I think.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, Giovanni, you were right on time.
Oh,
Negative times a positive, negative divided by a positive,
negative.
positive divided by, in a multiplication or a division.
I know, but I'm doing it.
But in a
Piquito.
multiplication or a division, I don't want to generalize it to it, sometimes it depends on the situation.
correct, yeah.
In a multiplication or in a division, fractions, square root, decimal, whatever, it doesn't matter. In a multiplication or a division, one of the numbers is negative, the other one is positive. Doesn't matter it's the first or second, one of them is positive, the other one is negative, the result is negative. So the result here is negative, and then you just have to go to your chart, 6 by 7.
Maybe you should go over that at some point too, like the negative signs and the rules, no?
The only rule I think I can say is this: if you have a division or a multiplication, and one of them is negative, the other one is positive, the result is positive. If both of them are positive, clearly, the
Right.
result is positive. If both of them are negative, the result is still positive. When it comes to addition and subtraction, it depends on which direction you are moving, how far you are moving. Whether you will end up to the left of 0 or to the right of 0 depends on the actual numbers, right? But here, division, the first is negative, the other one is positive, the answer has to be.
Hold on. Wait, well, can you go back to 10? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was, that's easy. Easy peasy. got it.
So negative 42. Now,
Negative
the next
42.
one, again, related to what one just said, this time I have a division again, that's a division sign. And both of them, both of the numbers in the operation, negative. So the result is,
Negative.
Positive.
Oh, negative and a negative is a positive.
Yeah.
And you still divide, right? So it's 3.
if, okay, one last time. You have a division or a multiplication. No, you have a division or a multiplication, okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm not talking about over the addition, subtraction. The operation you are performing, it's a division or a multiplication. One of the numbers, the first or the second, doesn't matter. One of the numbers is negative, the other one is positive. Then the result has to be negative. If both of the numbers are negative or positive, the result is positive. So in this case, the result is going to be positive. Negative whatever divided by negative whatever.
Oh, got it. Okay, yeah. So it's 3.
Does it matter that 21's not in parentheses up there? It doesn't matter that you put 21 in parentheses, but not up there?
No, it doesn't matter either.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. So this is actually really 21 divided by 7.
So it's 3.
7 times 3 is 21, or is it just positive 3?
Positive 3. Yeah.
Okay, positive or negative? That's a division.
Negative.
The division, one of them is negative, the other one is positive, so the result is negative. So I'm going to put that negative sign before I forget about it.
Negative, yeah.
And then,
It is 12 over 35.
Pearson.
Yeah. Negative 12 over 35.
Negative 4 over 7 divided by positive 3/5. I'm going to put the negative here. And then 4 over 7 divided by 3/5. Becomes a multiple. Okay, but you may have more in the future. Maybe I don't know if you don't then send that to me too. If you don't have. Look, I didn't say you don't have to. If you do.
Okay, but don't stop it.
Negative 20 over 20.
20 good.
Please.
Wait, what's it have?
1 line, 10 seconds question. That was the original question.
Right,
A negative number divided by a positive number. The
Right.
result is going to be negative.
right.
And then I can turn this division into a multiplication. If I put it second one, 3/5 to 5.
Oh, that's
Then-
okay, I see. I thought your hand right. Right, looked like a 3, I thought the same. So, okay, got it.
So from here to there, a division turns into a multiplication.
Right.
But because that's really what you are doing, if you think about it.
Right.
Dividing by 3/5 is actually multiplying by 5/3. And that's the Pearson way to do it.
Okay.
If you are working with fractions, if you are dividing fractions, Pearson algorithm. Turn that division into a multiplication after flipping the second fraction. And flipping is a word I heard, swapping, I would rather say. Swapping the numerator and denominator. You call it flipping. So just one line, 10-second question. What happened from here to here? Division becomes a multiplication. 3/5 becomes 5/5. And then another word from you call it multiply across.
Yeah.
While you are multiplying fractions, right?
Mhm.
You don't have to worry about common denominators or anything like that.
Right.
Multiply the numbers at the top, it goes to the top of the answer.
Yeah.
Multiply the numbers at the bottom, it goes to the bottom of the answer. So 20 over 21, negative. Can I simplify? No?
No. No.
20 is 1 less than 21. Right. Two numbers starting from 2, 3, 4, whatever. 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, whatever. They're always co-prime. This one you can simplify. And if these kinds of things you don't know about, you always have the time, more than enough time. Try. Like, so clearly there is no common denominator here, but suppose
Right.
you are working with some large numbers, say they have a common denominator 7, but you don't see the medium.
Mhm.
Try. You have time. This question was a 10-second question. You have 6 minutes on average for each question.
Okay. What? Is that serious?
7.
Yes, I'm gonna leave the counting.
Oh, got it. Okay.
You just count them. and
Okay.
then The letters by, but keep in mind.
Oh, that just scared me. It looks scary, but it's really so easy.
Yeah, this is basically, you can think of what you see in the box as a shortcut, as a shorthand
Yeah.
notation. It's really not, it's just notation.
Right.
Y is some number, whatever it is. Times y again, times y again, times y again. I'm multiplying y by itself 7
Right.
times.
Right. I get it.
Nothing. And some
That's
words
easy.
this y is called the base, and this 7 is called the exponent.
So y to the 7th.
Y to the power 7. Y to the 7.
So how do you type that in as an answer? Do you have to put it in the little box?
You can use it.
Okay. Got it.
So as soon as you click on the answer box, this is going to show up.
Okay.
Yeah.
25. -5 to the second power is 25. It's negative 25?
Negative, we have.
Why is it negative?
All right, end of week 2, let's slide again.
I
I'm
just
pretty
don't
sure this is at
understand.
least the
No,
third,
wait.
fourth time. It is negative 25.
Oh,
Right.
Okay.
See, we all thought it
There's
was.
no parentheses, so you don't times -5 times -5. You just do 5 times 5, and then the negative sign is there, so you just put that there. When there's parentheses, that means it's included with the -5.
Okay.
So then you do -5 times -5.
Okay, and then the 2 would be outside of the parentheses, so that would be negative.
Correct.
Okay, okay, got it. I got it.
In words, right? This is this at the top, right? Here the difference in the this at the bottom, it is the square of -5, which means
It would be
-5 times
-5, right, okay.
Two negative numbers multiplied gives you something positive. Okay, what about this?
Still gonna be positive.
Yep, that would still be positive.
Is it?
Is it?
Negative.
Oh, no, it's in, yeah, cause it's,
Negative.
You got a 2, you got a 2 that makes it a positive.
Oh,
You got
right, it
one
would-
marked negative that makes it a negative.
It will cancel out, so then it
Right.
would be,
right. So
This
negative.
is 125, but negative or positive?
It's
negative.
Okay. What about this?
positive 125.
No, it's negative 125.
Yes, negative.
The parentheses in this case, I'm not saying parentheses don't matter, of course, but in this case, with the parentheses or without the parentheses.
So that one is negative.
Okay, what is this? With the parentheses.
Positive.
Positive, and the 125 times 5 is a 65. 625. I'm asking you, is it going to be negative or positive?
It's positive.
What about this?
Negative.
This is V2.
Okay. Got it.
I mean, still, if you have it with you.
Is that divided?
No.
Plus. I got 104.
No.
And then plus 2. So, this is 27 times 4, which is 108. And that's 6 minus 108 plus 2. So, 102 plus 2.
Every time.
Wait, okay, so, just looking at the word, even though you have exponent,
Hold on, cause
you don't use round offs, because there's, is that correct with this project?
hello. Oh no, I'm going this way. Why every time when it gets to be a lot of people in here, why do y'all start doing this to me? Like, talk that shit down. Cause I'm in the bathroom by myself and I can respond like, what's up? Oh yeah, the teeth check by a lot of people's spots is blocked right now. Like, you, like, what's the point? If you don't like it, leave. Scroll. You can scroll. You can scroll if you don't like it. That's all I wanted to say. Because I want to be. Thank you. I will have a blessed day. But if you don't like it, scroll. It's really simple. It's not that hard. Like, I know I look good. I know I look fine as fuck. So. Where's the
The
meat?
part you will deal
Where's
with
the
first is this thing in the middle. 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So this part here is actually 27 times 4.
Which is 1
Which is 1 always. Then
6
minus.
plus 2.
For instance, PEMDAS. A comes before S. Addition
Okay.
doesn't come in this case before the subset in this case because you have, if you had this completely different without the parentheses between multiplication and division, there is no hierarchy. If you have a chain of those operations. And similarly for addition and subtraction, if you have a chain of them and there are no parentheses, then you go from left to right. In this case, S comes before A.
Mm-hmm.
So this becomes
102. Plus, negative 102 plus 2. Keep forgetting those damn signs. Equals
Yeah.
negative 100.
okay, there are parentheses here. The second parenthesis doesn't.
Yeah. And I got 100 on that one, so. Well, I didn't put, I forgot my negative, so that technically would have been wrong, but
Negative 14.
I would have figured it out if I wasn't distracted. Good catch. Okay. No, I don't care. Thank you.
Okay. I got, do you want us to say the answer or not?
Yeah, same.
Negative 14,
It's negative. It's negative.
but it's not 14?
No.
Why not?
Negative 6 times negative 6, 36. Positive, and then you keep the minus sign. 11 times 11 is 121, no? So then minus 121. So then you just do negative 121 minus 36.
Of course I did.
What happened?
He found my mistake. He's so good.
We love Alex.
Yeah, I try my best.
Huh? Yes.
What do you get?
Oh, well, it's 121 minus 36.
Yeah.
Alex, can I ask you for a favor? You don't have to do it.
Uh-oh.
What's up?
Look,
Oh, God, okay.
no, you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay. I'm sorry to have asked. I'm sorry to have
Wait, I'll do it.
You want?
I'll do it, yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh. Wait, but didn't you get it?
Yeah, but I don't like.
Yeah, okay,
That's not-
okay,
doesn't
yeah,
like all the
I
changes.
completely
He's an
understand.
introvert.
That's me.
Introvert.
That's me, I don't like it. I get it.
You want me to like break it down, but, or can I just?
Do it.
Yes,
Yes.
do your thing, girl.
Okay. 121
Yes.
minus 36. 11. 1. 0. Am I right so far? I didn't do 121 minus 36. I just know it's negative.
Yeah,
Alright.
okay, yeah.
11.
It's 5.
No, 7.
You said no?
Here, right.
I'm doing it.
Oh, 11 minus 6,
Yeah.
It's 5.
5,
Okay,
Mhm.
thanks.
and
12.
11 minus
8.
11
8.
Pause. Why is
11
it
minus
11?
It's 85, because you borrowed.
Oh, boy. I don't like being up here.
Okay.
You
Eight-five?
volunteered.
8-5? Alright, cool. It's a negative.
If I do it in my head, again, this is something that you are much better at than I am. If I do it in my head, I have a 75, negative 75. If I do it in my head, isn't it negative 75?
75.
No, it's 80.
It's definitely 85. Now, when it comes to negative or positive, I don't know.
See, I was
So-
doing my head.
Okay, so
Yeah. Just
that's
erase
correct,
it.
negative 85. Yeah,
You know what's funny? Is I did this part right, but then this part I missed.
Okay.
I added.
I have parentheses. So this whole thing is negative 6 times negative 6, which is positive 36. 11 times 11, 1 to the 1. And then from this point on, you see that the answer is going to be negative because you are taking out a larger number from a smaller number. And how negative it's going to go? Yeah. Yeah, I can get them over there. So that's 0, that's 36. You are going to go to the left, 1 to the 1. You will end up somewhere in here. Negative what?
85.
It's actually the difference between this and this. If you,
Yes.
it's actually the difference between this and that, but that much negative. If you want to, that you keep, I'm still putting 75. I don't know
You
how-
change opposite. There you go.
Exactly. Just
I got this. Can I do that one on the board? I think I know it.
If you,
It's much
Yes.
earlier.
Okay.
well, I'm not sure, you have to check which of those are still working. I don't know which one is still.
Wasn't Layla here today or not?
Yeah, she had to leave early.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a bat.
Let's give people a minute or so.
Yeah, she
and
went
then-
to the bathroom.
I'm just gonna write it first. What question is this?
Number 17.
17. 6.
3y plus 5z, and then the parenthesis closes right there.
She was talking to me. She was talking to me. I was like, how do you even hear me? I was like,
Streaming? No, they don't know. Are they okay with this live stream? No.
I don't think I could be a professor.
You know when I leave here, and when it's like, what, like, I leave like from maybe 2, 3 o'clock, I feel like I've already lived. Like an entire day. On the days I come to school, because it's like I'm up and there's so much going on from like 9 to 1, or 9 to 11 when we're done early. And then like 2 o'clock hits and I'm like,
Well,
this
I'm
is
not
weird.
particularly
She said
your
this
age.
You drive
but
far away.
You are in your,
Oh.
you are in your 20s.
What about it?
You can have it. I'm indestructible when I.
Oh my god, no. I literally,
We're gonna get this speech.
my body feels like,
80.
yeah.
Yeah. My
Literally.
back beat hurt.
I remember I used to go to work, get off from work, go out and hang out
Yeah,
until like
how-
3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, go to work at 6,
you
work
guys-
from 6 to 10 o'clock
Uh,
at night, and then go do it.
I
again.
was,
do that shit anymore.
when I came here, I lived in Gainesville for quite a while.
Oh, that's where I'm from.
So, and
Gainesville, Florida,
I
baby.
was around your age or so here. One night of not sleeping is nothing. Absolutely. nothing.
Sure ain't, 'cause they
It has
like to
happened so
party in
many times
Gainesville,
to me.
like-
I've done it not once, not twice.
Wait,
I
you would
enjoy
drive,
those nights.
you would drive from Gainesville to here?
What do you think? Like, I mean,
Damn.
I can't believe
I
that.
was going to school and living in
He did, just
Gainesville.
ask
I
me.
was living in Gainesville and going to school and all that stuff.
There's no way,
So, you go out. It's not like, let's
Oh my
start at 2
God.
o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. It's all the way to the morning.
Huh?
All night.
Oh, no.
Morning comes, it's a party city.
How did you do that?
Or in Gainesville, that's normal. So it's the morning, and people around me are doing the same thing. We are In the morning, you go to school, you go to work. In the evening, you take a test. All good, all fine.
Take the test.
Nah.
I can't.
That is when my brain is not at its highest.
Literally, that's my nap time.
So you can do.
You guys need some vitamins in your body.
I just feel like last night it went by so fast.
Uh,
I didn't sleep. Like it was time to get up again.
right.
Okay, yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Girl, you bad, girl. That's right. Period.
You're welcome.
That was
I'll be
beautiful.
back on Monday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's gone again. Just like that. She comes in, does her stuff.
No, but those problems are fun. I like those.
No, she's making a joke about doing it Monday.
No, they stress me out.
I remember
feel like
those.
I can do this one, but I mean, if anybody else would like the floor, no.
Nah.
It's like, nah, no.
Oh, you leave it alone.
Honestly, after that, I had to stay for it too.
I used to have it really, 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 really
Why you
bad.
so mean?
It didn't look the same up there. There it is.
Okay, let me. One point five x minus 2.4 y minus 3.
Okay.
And you say no calculator. Okay. So this is easy too. So we got 1.5x minus 3.5x, which is negative 2x.
You ever been to the capybara cafe?
And then 2.4
You know what a capybara is?
negative 2
No.
for y.
You know what
Oh,
that is?
Capybara. Yeah, did they live in the Amazon? And
Yeah.
Right?
You ever been to the cafe?
No.
Is
no. I don't even know what it is. What is it about? Like, what
You
is it?
just go there and you hang
Eight.
out with capybaras. And you get coffee. Yeah.
Point
You
eight
just chill, it's like those cat cafes.
y.
Yeah.
Okay. So?
Oh, where is that?
I have no idea. I think it's
Oh.
like 2 hours away though.
Oh, I was like, I don't think we have it around here.
Are there who
Maybe no.
are they are mammals but they live in water?
No, I don't think they live in water.
They,
You might
Can
be
they
thinking
swim?
of,
yeah, they like to swim because they, like, when you see videos of capybaras, they're like in the water, like some of them are standing on
But they don't live in
but they don't live in the water.
Okay.
No, they
Yeah.
just, they just go in there to cool off.
Oh, yeah, they're
Or
I
an
was
otter.
thinking of beaver.
Yeah, an otter. Maybe it's an otter.
Otter or beaver?
I love otters.
They're higher
My
than-
favorite animal is the
They're
sloth.
taller than a pork.
I used to want one as a
But-
kid,
Yeah.
and I saw like
Not
their
the
nails.
Oh, the
get-
nails
They're
is
like
crazy.
huge squirrels.
But they're
I think
so
sea otters-
cute and just
sea otters are
They
nicer
are.
than
They
river
really are.
river otters.
helpless and cute. Or a koala.
My daughter really wants a duck right now.
A duck?
Dude, Tractor Supply.
Yeah,
They're
sell
so
ducks.
fun.
Yes,
They
are.
sell ducks.
You gotta get like 2 though, because they'll die without each other, for real. They have to be paired.
It's like with dogs and like littering syndrome
I
kind of.
see. I was thinking about getting her turtles.
Dude, they're
Oh,
literally
they
like
stink.
20 bucks.
But you have to have water.
What?
You have to have like water for them to live in, like a pond. They could live in the house.
They can live in a. The only thing though, I got ducks when I was younger, but we didn't realize how fast they grew.
And
Cause
that's another
they
thing.
sell like the bigger white ducks, and they grow like within a couple months. So they're like, depending on how much you get, and they poop a lot.
I can't
So
say
No.
constant, like, changing their cage and constant, yeah.
I kinda, has anybody ever had a rabbit?
Yes,
I did.
Rabbit?
they're
Mine never
fast.
liked me though.
Oh, no.
They fast, boy. If they get out in your house,
Yeah.
forget it. You're not gonna be able to catch them. You have to like. It's fun though.
You'll have to set up a bunch of carrots.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You have to have like blankets. Somebody hold the blanket. And then
No, I can't do that.
if they get
I dropped him
out,
off at a store one time because he just didn't like me at all. So I.
See, I was gonna get her a cat, but
bye, girl.
I let her
Bye,
have the
Dylan.
day.
Okay. What it's asking you to do here is put the externs together, so the purple ones.
Yes.
So the terms that you can put together, actually let's write it. I mean. that's a lot of
1.5x
extra
minus.
writing.
Okay, so that's
Negative 2x.
negative 2x. Yep, that's what I got.
So, and here you are subtracting 3.5 from 1.5. While you are doing subtraction with decimals, again, here's the way of doing
That's
it.
my
Additional
answer right
subtraction with
there.
decimals, you align the decimal dots. Remember that? Yes, you align the decimal dots. If you do that with 1, you will get negative 2. That's the next one. But just go back and check from week 1 how you work with decimals. Remember, addition and subtraction, align the decimal dot, that's where the decimal dot will be in the final answer. If you are doing a multiplication or a division with the decimals, do you remember?
Yes.
The value put the this is negative. Now you'll do the same thing, the green. Oh. Okay, let's find another color. Purple, I know.
Expo markers.
Purple. It's almost the same
Oh,
color.
it's pink though. That's the prettiest one.
Negative 2.5, so here, negative 2.4, negative 8.4,
Is negative. I got negative 8.8.
Oh.
8.8.
Yeah, negative 8.8.
Yeah,
Why?
Why?
That's the answer, right?
yeah.
that's the answer.
Yay.
So, it's one of the easy 10-second questions.
I love those.
X terms put together, Y terms put together, but don't miss out on these.
I'll get those right every time. I started to go up and do that one, but I was scared.
You don't have to put 2.0. When it says evaluate, you are not putting down an expression like this. Evaluate questions means your final answer is some numbers. Okay? Second to last. And maybe we can do half a more.
Oh, okay. 19. X. 3 minus. Huh? Is this for real? Oh, and then it gives you the value of, okay, so you have to fill it in. Okay, got it. So that would be 2, 3, and y is 4, so 6 times 4 plus 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Wait. Minus. So it'd be negative 24 plus 2 equals no. 8,
Second to last.
So 16 to the 18.
So, the blue line is the expression you need to evaluate. It's a question that starts with the word evaluate. What goes into the box is some number, not one of those sticks. But some number. Now, how do you turn that expression into a number? Of course, plugging in the values of the variables in the expression. I have an x and a y. X is for the purple part. Y is for the green part, and you don't do anything with the 2, it's a constant. All of these are numbers, right? 2 cubed. 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the 2 cubed is 8, right? So I know, those things happen. Cube, so 3 2's multiplied. 2, 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4, times the 2, 8. Right. 6 times 4,
24.
Right. And then I come
Plus
to-
2.
Where did I get 4 from?
Again,
Cause
subtraction
y is 4.
and addition. There is not a hierarchy between additions and subtractions. Right? If there are any parentheses, what you do? Left to right.
I got this right. So the answer is 18. Negative 18. I think.
I think it'll be negative.
It would be negative.
Hold on. Am I okay?
So it's a negative 16, 17,
Yeah.
negative 14.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you have the 8 there. I think 24 minus 8 would be 16.
Yes. And then
You could do the plus.
minus. Oh yeah.
You accidentally did like. Could I borrow your pencil?
Yeah.
I think the way you did it was when you had the negative 16.
Mhm.
When you did the plus 2, you added to like the negative. But like it'd be subtracting kind of from like the negative, so it'd be negative 14.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. I get it. Okay.
The answer to the question is negative 14. Okay. The very last line, you have a subtraction and an addition without any parentheses. If you blindly go to your this panda state, it says A before S, right? You should, however, maybe you can put parentheses around them, but the rule is this, pandas or whatever works for you. Any multiplication or division without parentheses comes before any addition or subtraction. But between multiplication and division, if there are no parentheses, you go from left to right. Again, addition and subtraction You go from left to right without parentheses. So, there are no parentheses here. What you do is first, second. Simple as the first part, 8 minus 24, that's a negative 16. That's what we do first. Then a plus 2.
Negative 14.
It's going to get you to negative 14. Okay, this is the end of it. So, these kinds of questions, because
This is like algebra, right?
it's not even algebra. I didn't call it algebra.
Not yet.
This is like arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
There is a lot of algebra, of course, in arithmetic, but algebra is way more interesting.
Okay, got it. So negative 14. I don't know what how to name, but I can't name it.
I took classes on algebra, I took classes on analysis, I took classes on geometry. Between three big branches. Huh? Algebra is the most interesting, most fun one.
Yes, I agree.
I love geometry.
What?
I think algebra is my favorite. Geometry is fun too. Especially sacred geometry.
The only type of math
So,
I like.
there was this, you guys heard about
Counting money.
Euclid? I don't know if you know.
And
He's a
It's been a minute.
Euclid, right? He is a mathematician from ancient Greece. He lived like almost 3,000 years ago or 25,000 years ago. He wrote a book on kind of geometry, let's say. So, what was it called? Platonic solids. It's on
Platonic solids, ooh.
Right. So, here's the deal. Believe it or not, he wrote a book on this. Like, until late 1800s, 1800 something, every college, every university in Europe, you attended, whatever you study art, you study engineering, you study anything in any university until 1800s in Europe. You don't graduate without reading this book first. So, it's a beautiful book. It's the first of its kind. Definition, theorem, proof. Definition, theorem, proof. Definition, theorem, proof. And at the end of the book, his final conclusion, he proves there are only a certain number of Platonic solids. Not that there are just 5 Platonic solids, there are no more. And the first book in the history of mankind of this book, of this kind, the first definition, theorem, proof, definition, theorem, proof, definition, theorem, proof, definition, theorem, proof. And at the end, he proves there are 5 Platonic solids and there are only 5. There is not a 6th one. And what I mean by Platonic solid? It's the type of shape where all the faces are regular polygons. Like think about the pyramids, right? The Egyptian pyramids, I'm not good at drawing, but how do you draw it? Like,
Oh, like 2D?
so if it's something, right? Something like this, the Egyptian pyramid.
Right,
That's a Platonic solid. If all, it has 4 faces, right?
right.
If all,
4.
if those 4 faces are all equilateral triangles,
Oh yeah, sorry. I had to
are
think.
all
How do we get 4?
a pyramid has 4 faces, 3 side faces and 1 bottom.
Oh, the bottom, okay.
Ugh.
4. Sorry, go ahead.
If those 4 faces
I
are
like how
all
he's looking at us
equilateral,
like.
He's
No.
literally
We're
had
like,
like
there's
this
3 in a triangle.
if all these 4 faces are equilateral triangles, it's the first Platonic solid. If you have a shape,
Right.
shape where all the faces are regular polygons, You can only put together irregular polygons, right? What do you think? A cube. It's another polygon.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It has 6 faces. If all of them are squares, you have platonic. You can put. There are 5 of those, and only 5. The conclusion is not important. What's important is rigor. It starts with some primitive concepts, which we only intuitively understand. Then anything else is rigorously defined. It starts with some axioms too, things that we accept to be true, but reasonably so. And then anything else is proven logically. Definition, theorem, proof. Definition, theorem, proof. Definition, theorem, proof. That's why the style of thinking. That's why it was necessary. You are studying economics. Doesn't matter. You have to read this book together. Why did I come here? I was going to say something. It has something to do with
You were talking about how much you like algebra
Geometry.
and geometry. That's what started it.
and this is, yeah. When I say geometry, I'm not just talking about Euclidean geometry. More interesting is the geometry on a superior part. What's the sum of the interior angles in Euclidean geometry? This plus this plus this. Why? Yep. What if you have a sphere? You can get up to 2 seconds. It's not the same for every triangle, but you can get it. You can have 3 axes. You can have a triangle. Each of the 3 angles is an angle. Of course, doesn't happen in Euclidean geometry. So, geometry, Euclidean geometry, yeah, it's fun too. Can get more fun. Okay, before sit down for a second, you do this for me. If you
Me?
or
No. Do it.
No, not that type of question.
I think it's kind of like the same. Yeah.
I feel like it is, but I feel like I always
Those-
mess these up.
Okay, let's see. Number 20 is the last one.